We are on our way to the cottage, and they hate the car. Yeah. You guys hate the car? Unless I open the window, which I hate because it makes weird noises. See? Yeah, anyways, Bianca and my mom are taking a different car. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Bianca and my mom are taking the other car because Bianca's still at school, so we're gonna go unpack. Oh, and my grandma's coming with them too. So, yeah, and I'm just chilling with them. We have an hour left. Why are you so mad? Oh, I feel so bad. I don't know why they hate the car so much. Oh, God. This is the only way he will sit quiet in the car. Yeah. There they are. Is that fun, buddy? Hi. Oh my God. Sup? We made it to the cottage. Dog number 1. Yeah, they don't like it here. Dog number 2 over there. They don't like the hardwood because it's slippery and they're tired. So that's the little kitchen, the dining room. This is like the living room, and then there's a bedroom over there, and there's 2 over there. But obviously I'm too lazy to go and show you guys. Well, obviously it's hot. Like, it's so hot they don't have AC and I'm dying. And we're waiting for my mom, my sister, and my grandma to arrive. But I don't think they left yet, so we're waiting. What are they saying? Yeah, it's time to go to bed. Because I'm tired. And we brought 2 boxes full of liquor and beer, and you know you're alcoholic when, so yeah. So we're waiting for my sister, my grandma, my mom, which I already said, and then we're gonna barbecue, and then we're gonna go for a swim because the water is like literally like right out the window. So that's like, even the cottage isn't that big, but like we came here for the purpose of being right on the water. I'm rambling, so I'm just gonna end it right here now, and I'll catch you guys up later.
Maganap. Maganap. Ah, yeah! Chandra, good. Wait, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, Rico! Oh my god! Oh my god, bago si Pea. Bago si Pea. Bago si Pea. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god. Bago na bang ni may mare. Tapos tayo lang kaya ang peak. Hamia. Oh my god, Mia! Oh my god! Oh my god, Mia! Oh my god! Oh, Chandra, good! Oh, baby! Bravo! Bravo, too! Oh my god! Oh my god! Pati sa nuwate, siya mo zan! Hindi pa, che. Suraka. Para ba yan? Para pa. Escudo. Tako lang kuma. Oh my god, nandito po sa crate. Oh my god, Chandra good. Chandra good. Yes, baby. Good job, baby. Who's a good boy? My little baby. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, this is so adorable! Chandra good! Oh my god! Yes, Rico! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so funny. Yeah. Mia! Yeah. Mia! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! She could have died. That was so adorable.
So everybody else made it to the beach. Hi, puppies, and my dog swim. Did you guys swim? Hi. Hello. Do you want a towel? Oh. We're making a fire, and we're gonna continue swimming. Yeah, that's the plan. Hi. Let's go. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, let's go swimming. But they just got dry. Leave them now. Should I record you or no? You're too insecure in your bathing suit, right? Oh. Okay. Hi, Mom.
Hi there, Mama.
Come on, Miko, let's go swim. Come on, go swim.
Hello, Mommy.
No, I don't think they want to anymore, Bianca.
Yeah, they do want to.
Maybe if I go?
No, that is not.
I'll insert a clip anyways of Miko swimming from Bianca's phone, right?
Hi, Mommy.
And this is the view. It's really pretty.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, chicken.
That's not encouragement. That's just yelling at them.
No, it's not.
Leave them. They don't want to if they don't want to come there.
It's negative reinforcement.
Leave them, Bianca. They just got dry. Look at them. Just leave him, please.
The water.
No, he doesn't. It's fine because he was like getting really anxious when he was at the end. I'll come in 1 second.
But leave the camera here so they can we can film us while swimming for like 2 minutes.
Anyways, so we're gonna go in the water while they finish a fire. So we're gonna barbecue.
A house tour.
I already did, kind of, but I'll show you.
Yeah, but your house tours are like trash.
Well, there's nothing really to say. It's just
there is. So does it matter, Dana? That's how vloggers do it. We're professional vloggers, guys.
We've established we're not, but hey, okay. What are you doing, Mom? Okay, she's not answering, but yeah. Hi. No, everybody's ignoring me today. I see how it is. Okay, bye.
Wait, Dana.
That's a little trail up from the waterfront.
And this is the cabin.
These are little steps. Oh, maybe it's... And the view. I think the view is what made me want to stay at this cabin. So basically the photo was taken from here. Like this. And pretend that the lighting's way better and more contrast and stuff. There's me. Looking like an actual whale. Let's just take that hot mess of a hat off. I can't even open it. Oh. We love no air conditioning. Yes. Anyhow. Quick tour of the house. Let me put my hair up in like 2 seconds. Welcome back, my dudes. Okay. So this is the front door. Oh my god, I know, it's awesome. Yeah. As you walk in, you will see the kitchen / living room area. Woo! There it is. There is the kitchen. We have a little fan right here because we don't want to die of heat exhaustion. No, we don't. There are some potatoes and plastic koopas. That is some stuff and some news from our person. There's food. There's more food. Le toilette avec left. Oh my god. It's a Bianca. There's a sink. There's a toilet. There's a bathroom. This is not a bathroom. This is a bath. I don't know what I'm talking about. Never been the smartest person. We are 5 minutes into this house tour. There is a couch. There is that. There is that. It is a furnace, my friends. There's a television, or televisor, how you say in the Romanian language. I thought that was a cross for like 2 seconds, but it's actually a candle. There's these really nice pictures. There is the first room. This room, me and Yana. There's no door. What? Okay, whatever. There's bunk beds, and there's a bed that I will be sleeping in, and Yana takes the bunk bed. I don't know why she did that. This one's probably smaller. I don't even know. But yeah, oh my gosh, she took my hat. That she's probably gonna think she's gonna use, but that's not happening because I need one. There's her clothes. There's more clothes. There's extra, there's a bra, yes. There's alcohol and, yeah. Camera shut off before I could finish the vlog. But like, yeah, this is the master bedroom. My grandparents are probably gonna be sleeping. Little cute little lighthouse at the side. Walk-in closet that I'm scared that is, okay, that's not a walk-in closet obviously because it's locked. Some stuff, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I just opened all those bags and tried some from them, and I literally ate another cookie, and yeah, I've just been a mess. I'm a mess. But beautiful view. It's gonna be a great time, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. So we swam in our... Why do you... Oh, he doesn't like the sizzling. Come here. It's okay. Come here. He doesn't like the sizzling of like the meat on the grill, which I think is so strange. But yeah, we're barbecuing or like grilling it on the fire. We don't sell the what? I don't even know how to translate that. That's all made by hand. Like when we cut the pig on Christmas, those are all like handmade, like sausages and whatever. Grandpa's drinking beer and relaxing. Grandma's doing whatever, and Bianca's in the house, and my mom is on her way. Do you see guys? Do you see her? Do you see her? Is she coming? No, that's not her. Oh? Who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? Hello! Come here, babies. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. The fork is for Dad. Come here, baby. Come here. So now we're just listening to sad, sappy music because, you know, we're trying to get ourselves hyped up. I was happier with you. Anyways, like, look at this view.
And look
like,
at Mia trying to jump up there.
Come on. Mia, you can go up.
Mika, so much. He's like, I'm exploring.
Can you hold one leash? Yeah, thank you. Like, Mia's like, I'm gonna go exploring now. Like, they're still cooking, and then after we're done, we're gonna go up to the house and we're gonna eat. We took some cute photos because we couldn't resist, and obviously the photos included the dogs because,
and you guys should
watch out.
Them. It's fine. You guys should like them on my Instagram. Happier you do.
Cottage life with the dogs. Oh well. Yeah.
Why are you so close to your face? Like, no one wants to see that. The truth.
No, they're gonna get dirty.
It's fine. They'll go swimming tomorrow.
I'm not putting them in the water anymore. Come on, guys. Let's watch, Mom. Come
on, babies. This is my all-time favorite song.
Ew, his ass is. Oh my God. That guy has his shirt down. That's disgusting, Dad. That is disgusting. His ass is.
Ew!
I'll put it on the vlog, Dad. I'll put it on the vlog.
Yes, put it on the vlog.
Dad, go and help your grandpa. Okay, he's so funny with my grandpa. Dad goes, go help your grandpa. And I was like, what? He has nothing. And he's like, yeah, he can't because he's old. Did you see him walking up the hill?
He was walking so fast. Look at him. He has to take a break. The food is done. Yes, those are potatoes and that's meat. And this is Dad. My mom's like running. Where is Mom going? My dad's like, let me suck it in. Like, same, Dad.
Oh, she's going to get her eye. Okay, that's embarrassing.
Yeah, that's literally.
Walk, turn around.
Put the knife down. Dad, stop! Oh my God, that's so dangerous. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Stop it, that's Mia. Stop it, it's just Mia. I need you tonight. When Mom has the alcohol, like, same. Like, you know you're European when your mom literally runs down a hill. You know you're European when your mom that has back problems runs down the hill to get.
Ran?
She literally ran down the hill to get the, like, wine and stuff.
Get him. Look how happy she is.
She's like, you're gonna leave. She's like, do you think you're gonna leave my mojito? No, that's sitting there.
I know. No, okay, I'm sitting here.
Fine, then I'll sit at the head table.
Seriously, asshole?
Hey, if no one wants to sit here.
Ooh, rosé. Like, I will have to.
Ooh, yes.
Okay, we're gonna go eat now, guys.
I'll see you guys later.
You're a secret.
Roșii?
Oh, hi.
Pâine gheață. I need you.
Oh, ew. TMI.
Ew. You mean PTSD?
PTSD? PDA, Bianca. PDA.
PTSD.
Post-traumatic stress disorder? Yeah, that's what they were doing. Post-traumatic. Pâine. They want to eat potatoes and bread. Who does that? Romanians. Bread, like starch. It's two starch objects. You don't need two starch. Even though I've heard that. I love zooming it. I love. Okay, Grandma wants us to get them grăunțe. Pentru că au mâncat.
Băi, dar duce pală. Ia, duce pală.
Stop it.
Duce pală.
What are you doing, Bianca? Who are you in love with, Bianca?
Huh?
Who are you in love with, Bianca?
I'm not trying to expose myself right now, thank you.
Some guy from dance or something? Anyways, the guys got drunk, well, Grandpa and Dad, and Dad fell asleep outside. The Grandpa in his bedroom, and we're like, if they're done, then we're gonna continue partying. So, and we're gonna sleep. And the dogs don't want to sleep because they're gonna sleep in our bedroom until I go to bed. So we're just gonna chill here in this heat because the cabin doesn't have AC. So yeah. Well, here comes Grandma in her pink pajamas.
What? Let the dog out.
Why are you sitting on the towels?
Why is that me? Because her butt hurts on like the wooden chairs.
Is that what she said?
No, like I know that because at home on the wooden chair she has to like put a blanket on them.
All right.
But they are hard. Like I like the little butthole they have though.
The dogs are like dead.
I love you.
It's only 9:30, right? What time is it?
Yeah, it's 9.
Yeah, 9:30, and we are dead. Dead.